Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we will learn how to send automated event invitations to LinkedIn leads via Gmail. So here my objective is that whenever someone applies through my LinkedIn lead ads, an event invitation mail will automatically be sent to the user's Gmail account. So to do this, I will integrate my LinkedIn to Gmail using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this right here is the automation that we will be creating in this video. So here I have connected my LinkedIn to Gmail. With the help of this automation, whenever someone applies through my LinkedIn lead ads, automatically one event invitation mail will be sent to the user's Gmail account. But before moving forward, let me give you a quick overview of how this automation will work in real time. For that, I am going to take you to my LinkedIn campaign manager. See, here I have already created one ad by the name of Pabbly Connect. So I am simply clicking on it. After that, I will click on this apply now button. As I created this form in a default setup, that's why the first name, last name and the company name is automatically added here by the name of Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service and the magnet base. But when you do this, you have to enter these data manually. Next, in this email address field, I am going to add one test email address and one contact number. After that, I will click on the submit button. See, I have successfully applied on this ad. Now we will check our Gmail. We have received the event invitation mail or not. Here I am refreshing this. See, I have received a new mail 0 minutes ago, which includes all the details and the default first and last name that were present in the form. So if you also want to create this amazing automation, see, this is not the magic. It is the magic of automation tool Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation, then simply follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So this is the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your questions here and the people who are facing similar problems just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you also want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description below. You can check out. Now we will return to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In this page on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you will click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I will click on the sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users as we are doing integration between application, and that will be only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I am going in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now button. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. Here you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining and the free task consumed. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option where you have to enter the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. When I click on it, it will ask me to select the workflow builder while providing me two types of workflow builder, name as new beta and the classic version. It is a modern, faster and more flexible, while the another one is for stable and familiar approach. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. Next, it will ask me to enter the workflow name that I am going to enter as send automated event invitations to LinkedIn leads via Gmail. After that, the folder I select is Pabbly Connect. Next, I will click on this create button. See, our workflow is created successfully. Now, this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. This is the first application for creating your workflow. As I want to send instant event invitations mail to the user's Gmail account when they apply on my LinkedIn lead ads. So to do this setup, at first I am going to take my trigger application as LinkedIn. So I am simply searching LinkedIn here. In simple words, trigger says when this happened. Here I selected my trigger application as LinkedIn. After that, the app event I select as lead notification. Then I will click on this connect button. It is providing me two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will click on the select existing connection. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. After that, I will click on this connect with LinkedIn button. Here it will ask me for my permission. See, my LinkedIn account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. In the next, you have to select the sponsored account in this field that I am going to select as Pabbly's ad account. This is the account that I am using right now. See, after that, then you scroll down, you can see one option is this is the simple response toggle. Simple response will give the data that is ready to map. When this toggle is enabled, then you will receive the data in the simple format. Next, I will click on the save and send test request button. See, it is waiting for a webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I am again going to apply on my LinkedIn lead ad. So here I am simply clicking on this apply now button. Here I have already added the test email address and the contact number in both of these fields. After that, I will simply click on the submit button. As in this time also, the first name, last name and the company name will give the same as the default. Now we will check our workflow that we have received the response or not. Here you have to wait for a few seconds. See, I have received the response, which includes the details that I have mentioned while applying on the LinkedIn lead ads. That is the email address and phone number. The first and last name is still coming as default. As I have received the response, this means that my LinkedIn account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Now the setup of my trigger application is done. After that, the action application I want to take as Gmail, because I want to send instant event invitations mail to each of my users' Gmail account. So to do this, I will simply click on this plus option. After that, I'm searching the app as Gmail because I want to send mails. Here I selected. Next, the app event I selected send email. After that, I will click on this connect button. It will provide me two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you don't have existing connection, then you will click on this add new connection. After that, you have to simply clicking on the sign in with Google option. Here I have already an existing connection, so I will click on the select existing connection option. After that, I will click on the submit button. See, my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Here the sender name I am entering as Pabbly team. I write this as a test example to teach you how the automation will work. You can change this based on your requirements. After that, as soon as I connect my Gmail account to my Pabbly Connect, it will automatically select the sender email address in this field, then in the next recipient email address. Here I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is LinkedIn. So to do the mapping, I'm simply clicking on here and searching the email address, because in this field I want to map the email address of my user. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. Next, the CC, BCC and reply to is not a required field, so I am leaving this blank and directly writing the email subject in this field. Here I entered. After that, I am going to write the email content in this field also. Here I write the email content. Now after this hi, I want my username. So to do this, I am again doing the mapping by simply clicking on here and selecting the username from here. That is the default. The first name is Pabbly and the last name is Subscription Billing Management Service. As I already told you previously, I am creating this as a test example, but when you do this, you have to map real user data in this field. You can also make the changes in this email content if you want to. After that, you have to select the email content type that I am going to select as HTML, because I write this email content in the HTML format. You can also create your HTML email by clicking on this here below, and a complete tutorial of how you can create your HTML email link are also there. Next, you have to select the labels that I am going to select as inbox. After that, if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can write the file name in this field and also attach the URL here. Lastly, I will click on the save and send test request button. See, we have received the positive response. Now we will check our Gmail account to see that we have received the new mail or not. Here I am refreshing this. See, I have received a new mail which includes my name as Pabbly Connect subscription billing management service that I have mapped in the email content field, and all the mail details that I have right on that field. As we have received the mail, this means that our automation is working perfectly. Now our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties while creating this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check out. With the help of this automation, whenever someone applies through your LinkedIn lead ads, an instant event invitation mail will automatically send to the user's Gmail account, and this will only made possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.